My name is Richard Amble. I'm a photographer. I've lately been doing drone photography. It's been more in the forefront since 2014. I came on about 2017 with my renditions of the Charleston area is really what you see before you today. That was the impetus for a lot of the photographs. I follow the river a lot, so if you follow the left side of the exhibit, it goes from east to west, or if you start at the other end, it goes from west to east. So it's just a circumvention around the peninsula of Charleston itself. So they're all Charleston drone images that I've taken over about a year and a half's time. Photography since I was 20, so that was a few years ago. But general photography, I was a senior portrait wedding photographer before I did this latest technology and the drones. It's amazing because you're thinking what this looks like from the viewpoint of an eagle. So it's like anytime I walk anywhere, I'm thinking like the drone sees. So it's like, oh, okay, what would this look like from over there or over here? And you know, we're always used to front and center and looking down at things a little bit, but not anything like these photographs. These actually are not straight down or top down, as it's called by drone photographers, but these are more, I think there's one image here that looks down on 526, the overpass, and that's a down look, a look down at things like a bird would. But a lot of these are distance, but from a height anywhere from 100 feet to 300 feet that we normally don't see these same objects from. After you get used to any piece of equipment, whether it's a still camera or especially a drone, all of a sudden you're starting to think like the drone does and what the possibilities are. The aperture is pretty wide, so it's like a little less than 9 millimeters. So you've got a big wide angle wherever you look. I think that I'd wish that they would walk these areas again, and if you follow the river from any direction and you've seen these photographs, you'll look at it and see it a little bit different. And that's the way I did too. When I saw these things, I said, I've seen these things 100 times, but I've never seen them from this angle before. And so there's still a lot of objects out there and a lot of places I would like to go back. Even amongst this photographs I've taken of these 20, I would like to do it again because I have totally new angles in my mind right now. I guess you'd call me an old school landscape photographer. I like the ocean, I like water. Anytime you look at any of my photographs, there's probably going to be water in it. If it's not a beach, it's going to be a river. It might be textures. I love textures. I've done a series on sand that's of course at the beach. I have a website, richardamble.com, and it offers a variety of the subjects that I do. So visually you can just look at it for the purpose of seeing what types of work I do, and additionally richardamble.pixels.com is a place where you can purchase any different sizes of usually canvas prints in any size that you desire, plus any framing style that you desire also.